Hey, what's up guys? How y'all guys doing? It's your boy Ray254 Adventures, and today I'm gonna show y'all guys the navigator, what's going on, keep y'all guys updated. Right now I'm at the garage. Where's it at right now? And I'm about to check up on it and see what's going on. I know they were supposed to replace the whole motor. Well, not replace it, it was gonna rebuild the whole motor and do all the good stuff to it and have her back up and running and having her back in good shape so we can continue our journey and go back on the roads and continue with this van life. Been missing my van, so it's been quite a while since it's been down. It's been about like a month since it's been down, and I'm going over here to check it out. Checking on the navigator, seeing what's going on. I had to get the engine rebuilt, and slowly by slowly, it's coming along. This is the navigator motor here getting stripped down so it can be taken out easier. They're actually gonna take it out from the inside instead of taking out this whole front here and breaking some of the clips and stuff. But I'm gonna come over here, go in the inside. They got the shell right here out of the van, so they're gonna remove this chair here and just take out the bottom block from up here, I guess. And yeah, he's really good at this type of motors and stuff. He's gonna take care of this all for me. What happened? Oh, you got lights in?
No, I got a little light in.
Yeah, we can turn another light so you guys can see it.
Entonces jodido. Yep.
It went out.
That one went out, yep.
Ooh.
Y la cambié ayer, bro. I changed it yesterday. I got it by the
So the light didn't work.
Ahí, el 8. El second light que le pongo ahí.
Let me see if I can turn my phone again on.
Está muerto.
This thing definitely was some dirty oil in there. So all this like slushy stuff in there. That's why it was all smoking and stuff. Well, we're gonna get this engine rebuilt, taking care of all this stuff here. Just coming back out here, get back to the front of it. Still gotta finish the inside, but we couldn't even finish the inside because the van got messed up on us, so we had to hold back on this and all the other stuff we had planned for this van, but everything will get taken care of. Yeah, it should be back on the road shortly. We're gonna get everything on this thing fixed back up, how original shape, but in some good condition. I got all these new parts that I gotta put on here. Just one more last time. And just for the New Year's, hopefully she should be back up. She's almost getting there though. So guys, I'm just here just sitting inside a camper van. And damn, I miss just driving in this thing down the road. But she's gonna be back running pretty soon. For the new 2020, she should be back on the road, and I should be continue back on with my journey. Continue bringing some cool content for you guys, because I got a lot of cool adventures, but can't do it without my camper, you know what I mean? I know y'all guys can't see back there, but she should be back on the road. And my guy definitely gonna hook me up, and I'm gonna have this thing back on the road running right. And we're gonna be continuing on with some crazy trips. It's a lot to do here, and we got a crazy job to take care of here. It ain't like this is an easy job, so it's gonna take a lot of time. But you know, patience is always best. You wait, and you know what I mean, good come. If you rush, things don't come right, you know what I mean? You gotta have a little patience and believe in yourself, and things will come the right way, you know what I mean? But I believe my guy's gonna have me right, and we can continue on back on our journey.